Well, a very good morning to you, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're fitting well. It's Nick here, and just gone into a binary here, trying to get this. Okay, so that's where my sorry, just getting some lines. This is the big picture, all right. the dollar yen, the dollar has really strengthened against the yen over the last few days. So looking big picture, it's that. So looking for a pullback. Okay, because the last few days it's been up and away, so we're looking for a pullback here, and with divergence over here, up there, it's ideal. So we're already in profit, and to show you that, let me just come over here. This is a live account, this is a real account too. But you can start off on a real account, and we are about, I think I was in here just about 8:05 on the time here. So we've been in about, almost half an hour, okay, and into profit. The position has to be below this green horizontal line. And we were in at they've changed the platform here, that's why I'm hesitating a little bit. So to view this, here we go. So I was in at 109.24. Current spot is below it, so we're into profit already. I was actually in at 8:09, and the current time is 8:30 and counting. So been at 21 minutes, all right, and already into a profit situation. And looking good, so I'll keep you updated. And what I would say to any beginners out there doing a trade like this, whereby you're only putting on 54 cents to get a payout of $1, is good practice for one simple reason. And the reason is you're trading with real money. It doesn't matter if it's small money, but it's real money. So it's very, very important to go in with real money. So as long as this has got another 23 hours, well, just under 23 hours, 22 hours and 37 minutes. And I'm just expecting it to be below 109.24. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, from me, Nick, wherever you are in the world today, take care and hope this helps. All the best to you. Bye.